You're on a sales call. The customer says, no, it's too expensive. What do? Most people panic. They start explaining features. They say, but sir, listen, and they lose the sale right there. Here's what the best B2C salespeople do instead. They use 5-step method called LAARC. And by the end of this video, you will exactly know how to use it. Before we go through each step, you need to understand one thing. In B2C sales, telecalling, retail, edtech, banking, insurance, most no's are not real rejections. When a customer says no, it always means one of three things. One, I don't understand this yet. Two, I don't see the value yet. And three, I don't trust you yet. That's it. No, I hate this product. Not never call me again. Just confusion, doubt, or hesitation. Your job is not to fight the no. Your job is to find out which one is it. That's what LARC is for. L in LARC stands for listen, but really it means pause. When customers say no, don't fill the silence, don't explain, don't defend, and don't panic. Just pause. Because the pause does two things. It shows confidence and it makes the customer feel heard. Most salespeople break here, they rush in with features and discounts, and the customer feels pushed, not helped. A stands for acknowledge. Before you respond to any objection, acknowledge it. Not fake empathy, real acknowledgement. The moment a customer feels understood, they stop being defensive. And that's when the real conversation begins. See what changed? You didn't argue, you didn't defend, you stood on their side. Now it is no longer customer versus salesperson, it's two people having a conversation. Second A in LARC stands for ask. Most objections are surface level. Your job is to go one level deeper. 3 questions that always work. What's your biggest concern right now? If price wasn't the issue, would this make sense for you? What would make this a clear yes for you? The last one is powerful because you're not guessing, you're asking them to tell you exactly what they need. R stands for respond with value. And here's the most important thing I will say in this video. People don't buy features. They buy peace of mind. They buy outcomes. They buy a version of themselves that has the problem solved. So stop talking about what the product has. Start talking about what they will get. C stands for confirm. After you have responded, never assume the objection is gone. Always ask one simple question. Does this make sense now? Or does this feel more comfortable for you? If yes, move forward. If no, don't force it. Go back to ask, find the next layer. Sales is not about winning arguments, it's about reducing fear. That's all it ever is. So let's bring it together. LARC. L, which is listen, pause, let them feel heard. A, acknowledge, stand on their side. A, ask, find the real objection. R, which is respond with value, paint the outcome, not the features. C, confirm, make sure the fear is gone. No pressure, no tricks, no fake urgency. Just better conversations and better conversations to close deals. If this helped you become a little better at handling objections, imagine what the next video will do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the Corporate Doors, and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any of our sales content. Until next time, keep learning, keep selling, keep closing. See you in the next one.